Did you know that bubblegum is pink because it's the only color the Fleer Chewing Gum Company had? It's true! Your next piece is I Love Bubblegum. Let's go to the piano. I Love Bubblegum is a 3-note song that introduces treble clef E. You'll play this new note with finger 3 of your right hand. That's your middle finger. Check out the first 2 measures of I Love Bubblegum. You'll play E, D, C with right hand fingers 3, 2, and 1. It sounds like this. Half note, hold that whole note. Half note has 2 syllables. That's how many beats a half note gets. Hold that whole note is a 4-syllable phrase. That's how many beats a whole note gets. Saying these phrases will help you learn the names of the rhythms and play them for the correct number of beats. I'll play the first 2 measures one more time and then you can try it. Half note, hold that whole note. Try it. Great! Let's try the next 2 measures. They're almost the same as the first 2 measures, except you'll be playing E twice and D twice. You'll play E, E, D, D, C with right hand fingers 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. It sounds like this. E, E, D, D, hold that whole note. When you play the quarter notes, I'd like you to say the name of the note. When you play the whole note, I'd like you to say, hold that whole note. Try it. Awesome. The next 2 measures are completely different. Can you name all 8 notes? That's right. C, 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 D, 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 D. You'll play C, 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 D, 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 D with right hand fingers 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. You try it. Way to go! The last 2 measures are the same as the first 2 measures. I'll play them for you to remind you what the previous measures sounded like, and then you can try it. Half note, hold that whole note. It's your turn. Fantastic! Here's what I Love Bubblegum sounds like all the way through. When you can play it from beginning to end with no mistakes, try playing it with me. It will help you to play with a steady beat.